Hi there, roadies. Today is another Foodie Friday review. And today we decided to go check out the new Shake Shack that had opened up here in our area. And we kind of have some mixed feelings about it. You order your burger and fries and drink all separately. And so that can add up if you want all three things. So for instance, today we decided to try what they call the Shack Stack. And it was $9.79 by itself. The fries that we decided to try, we just shared one, was $2.79 by itself. And then we just got waters because the drinks were almost $3 by themselves. So it can add up for a basic burger joint. And so just to kind of talk a little bit about the burger that we got, like I said, it was called the Shack Stack. And what it had on it was just a cheeseburger, but what they added to it was a portobello mushroom that they had stuffed with Munster and cheddar cheese and then deep fried it. And then they put it on top of the cheeseburger. Then you had your typical lettuce, tomato, and onion and all that. And, well, it tasted all right. It was pretty good. However, we just didn't feel like the $10 price was really worth it. Oh, and it did get bacon on it also. And we just felt like for having to pay the $10 just for the burger and then having to pay extra for the fries and drink on top of it just seemed kind of a bit pricey for a burger joint, like I was saying. And then with the title being called the Shake Shack, we were totally expecting to walk in and find a smorgasbord of different shake flavors. And you can actually have more to choose from at your local Dairy Queen or Arctic Circle, that kind of place, than you can at this place. It only had like 6 flavors. And I thought that was kind of a disappointing menu as well when it came to the shakes. So we didn't bother trying one of their shakes. So if someone asked if we wanted to go to dinner there with them, sure, we would go. But as for us just saying, hey, let's go to the Shake Shack tonight, no, it's not going to happen. We just can find a better burger, say at Red Robin even, for a better price. And feel like because at Red Robin you can get a $10 burger, but you get your fries and drink included for the most part, especially when they're running their deals. So that's just kind of our feeling on it. However, the fries, I will give them extra credit for fries though, because they actually knew how to cook them well. They were crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. They were the crinkle cut variety, and they did not oversalt them. And we have been very disappointed in the fries at other fast food places around. Their quality has just gone downhill over the years, and so we've just stopped ordering fries altogether because we just felt like we were eating, a pile of greasy grossness. And so to actually have a decent tray of fries kind of made up for the price a little bit. However, we're not going to go to the Shake Shack just for the fries, so it is what it is. So here's a couple pictures to share with you, and you guys have a great Friday, and we'll see you on the road. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and ring that bell. Thanks a lot.